Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. It's your girl Gift, and you know guys, I'm a mom based here in the UK. I'm Nigerian and I'm a mommy YouTuber. And on today's vlog, I showed you guys when I was unboxing my baby's package for a birthday. Yes, I'm soon to be a mom of 1 year old. My baby will be a toddler tomorrow. So guys, if today is your first time watching my video, please guys, kindly subscribe to my channel, click on the bell notification, like, share, comment, and tell me what you think about my video. And to my old subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel and staying tuned. Anyway guys, on today's vlog, today is the birthday vlog day 2, and on today's vlog I will be making my baby birthday hair. And today we are going to be having our photo shoot, because I was thinking of getting a professional that is going to do a photo shoot here in the UK. But seriously guys, it's actually very expensive to get a photo shoot here in the UK. You need to pay like £300 for a photo shoot, which is not palatable, because if you're a Nigerian and you are an immigrant in the UK, you cannot give them such an amount of money. No. So today I'm going to be setting up things myself. I'm going to be doing it in a way I know I'm going to be doing it. Anyway guys, as in, I'm very happy today, and today is the birthday vlog day 2. I'm going to be showing you guys what you'll be using for a photo shoot. Yeah, I have a dress here and I have what I want to use to make her hair, because I really want to make the birthday girl's hair today. So today guys, I hope you enjoy this video, because I want you guys to see things as in the way I prepare my baby for our birthday. Anyway guys, I'm going to be using this costume. Yeah, this is a costume, and this is what she's going to be putting on her hair. So I'm going to be using this for it. Anyway, you see her on a photo shoot, what I'll be doing. So here I have another dress she's going to be using. This is what she's going to be wearing, and we have this. Anyway guys, just stay tuned to this video, this interesting video. Guys, I'm facing my window and I'm enjoying the sun, the reflection of the sun. So guys, join me as we dive into this birthday vlog day 2. So guys, this is what she's going to be wearing, a costume. Then this is another one. Yeah, this is what she's going to be using. Look at my birthday girl, she's here chilling, so I have to make her hair. Anyway guys, see you guys later. So guys, I just finished making her hair. Mama, see. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. You are 1 year today. 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 Chimamanda, may God bless you. Today is a great year for you. You're a great child. You're a blessed child. Eh? Mama. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Gift and I'm a new YouTuber here, based here in the UK. I'm Nigerian and I'm a mom of one. Guys, on today's vlog, it's actually the birthday, officially our birthday for today. Anyway guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel, click on that bell notification, like, share, comment and tell me what you think about my video. And to my old subscribers, thank you guys for staying tuned on my channel and subscribing to my video and still watching my video. God bless you guys. On today's vlog, it's officially our birthday. Let me present you the birthday girl. Yay! Mama, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mama. Guys, on today's vlog, it's actually going to be a lot. Today is not actually the party because kids goes to school on a Monday, so we had to postpone it for Sunday. So the party is on Sunday. Guys, just stay tuned, keep watching my video because I'll be bringing a lot of birthday content on this video, the vlog. So today is day 3 of our birthday vlog. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly watch, subscribe, comment and tell me what you think about this video, and please you can share my video too. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hey. Hey, you gotta Mercedes Benz. You gotta Mercedes Benz. Yeah? Yeah? Daddy gonna give Mercedes Benz. Adan daddy. Adan naya. Kina Mercedes Benz ni. Mo check and tora ga la run. Yeah.
Wow.
Nah. That is like a terrible Mercedes. Wow. So you give on your man a Mercedes. Mama. Ow. Do that.